I'm Barry Grogan from BG Precision. We're based out of Melbourne, Australia. A couple of years ago we got into this small format CNC game, and with a background in mechanical and manufacturing engineering, we really started to find there was quite a little niche industry working in the small format machinery. Obviously with degree qualification in manufacturing, I've seen all the large scale manufacturing outfits out there, but no one specializes in the high-end small format machining. And there really is a place in the industry for that small format CNC machine. And especially when you can make the technology attractive and attainable to the everyday user. The large machinery does need quite high-end qualification. It needs a lot of training, it needs a lot of expertise. There's a lot of setup, there's a lot of auxiliary services and equipment needed to run them, and they're quite complicated. When we started off with light-duty small format CNC machines, we found how flexible they were and how functional they were for many manufacturing applications. So after a number of years selling imported brands from Asia, the next thing we really found is that they were just lacking in finesse that we wanted to see. So the machines were small format, they were functional, but we really needed to see some more higher end properties. That's where we were delighted to get involved with 5.0 Robotics in Estonia, who have what we believe brought the best small format CNC machine to the market. So yeah, that's a little bit about BG Precision. We specialize in all things small format CNC, and we're based out of Melbourne, Australia.